Okay, so today we've got our UConnect system here, and what we want to do is show you how to connect Apple CarPlay wirelessly with this system. So this is a Jeep Wrangler. It will be very similar in other Jeep vehicles, but let's begin with the infotainment screen. So you'll see on the sidebar here, we have the phone icon. So you can go ahead and click that. It might say no phone connected. So if you already had a phone in here, what you can do is go to the device manager, and then in the bottom left corner, you can add a new device. So that way it'll say Bluetooth pairing, and what we're going to do is search for Bluetooth devices. This is when we're going to go back to the phone. So you're going to look for the gray settings box on your telephone, and then you'll see your menu here, and we're going to see Bluetooth. So you're going to want to click that, making sure the Bluetooth is green, that it's on, and then going all the way to the bottom, you'll see UConnect with some random numbers down there. So when you select that, we'll go back to our device here, and it's going to say Adam's iPhone. So that pin should match the pin on the screen, so we can click yes on there. It will then ask you if you want to allow contacts and your favorites to be synced. For me, this isn't my vehicle, so I don't need to allow that. Go back and just select yes. Now this is when it will begin the Bluetooth pairing process. And if you'd like to use Apple CarPlay, this can be done wirelessly. So what you're going to want to do on your phone, it'll say use CarPlay with UConnect. So if we click use CarPlay on there, then we can go back and hit OK, and it will again tell us to follow the instructions on our device, which we had done for the Apple CarPlay. So we'll give it a second here. You'll see the CarPlay is now connected, and it will automatically come up with Apple CarPlay. So now in the UConnect system, you have all of your apps in here that are available on the Apple CarPlay. Your phone, your text messaging, maybe your maps, Spotify, all that good stuff can be used right here in the UConnect system. So if you have any questions with this, make sure to reach out. We'd be more than happy to help you go through the connection process.